How to verify Bybit account with BVN. Now, after the recent update of Bybit, so it is not the same method as it was before. Now, the new method is go to top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, after that, tap on the icon next to the headset icon. Now, after that, tap on identity verification. Now, after that, tap on verify next to proof of address. Now, as you can see, this is a document that they will accept. Bank statements, as you can see, utility bills, internet, tax returns, council tax, and government. And this is the document that they will not accept it. Now, if you are ready to go, tap on next. And now you can take a photo of your preferred documents. Now, after that, tap on complete and then complete the process of verify Bybit your Bybit account with BVN. So this is how to verify Bybit account with BVN. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.